Hello everyone, myself Saumya completing our 10th standard Adarsh Vidyalaya Chikmuchurgud Badami. In this video, we will discuss on the topic metallic and non-metallic character of elements in the modern periodic table. These are two properties, but these two properties are opposite to each other. That's why we learn these two properties together. In the modern periodic table, metals are lying in the left side and non-metals on the right side. A zigzag line separates metals and non-metals called metalloids. Let's start with the metallic properties. The term metallic property, it means the properties of the metals. Then what is metals? The elements which have a tendency to lose electrons. It means metals are those elements which has tendency to lose electrons when they are in bonded form. That tendency of losing electrons is defined in a term that electrons is called electropositivity. Then what is electropositivity? This electropositivity applicable when they are in bonded form. That means when those are bonded with another atom, then the ability of atom to lose electrons said as electropositivity. What happens in a period on moving from left to the right? The size of atom decreases because there is an increasing effective nuclear charge, so the outermost electrons will be more tightly bonded to the nucleus when we are moving from left side to the right side. So the ability of atom to lose electrons will getting decreases throughout the period. That means electropositive nature, it will decreases in a period on moving from left side to the right side. So the metallic character decreases in a period on moving from left to the right. Positive electropositive character decreases on moving from left side to the right side in a period. This is a trend of metallic property in a period. Let's see what happens in a group. In a group on moving from right top side to the bottom side, the size of atom increases because the distance of the outermost electrons from the nucleus is increasing. So the outermost electrons have lesser and lesser effective nuclear charge on moving from top side to the bottom side. That means the ability of atoms to lose electrons will be more and more on moving from top side to the bottom side. The electropositivity increases top side to the bottom side in a group. This is a trend of metallic property in a group. Let's see non-metallic properties. The atoms which do not lose electrons, they want to gain electrons. Those elements are said as non-metals. It completely opposite to the metals. The elements which have a tendency to gain electrons. It means non-metals are those elements which has a tendency to gain electrons when they are in bonded form. That tendency of gaining electrons is defined in a term that is electronegativity. Then what is electronegativity? This electronegativity applicable only when they are in bonded form. That means when those are bonded with another atom, then the ability of atom to gain electrons said as electronegativity. Let's see what happens in a groups and periods. In a group period on moving from left side to the right side, electronegativity increases, so non-metallic property increases. In a group on moving from top side to the bottom side, electronegativity decreases, so non-metallic property decreases. In the non-metallic properties, all nonmetals they gain electrons. They are oxidizing in nature because increase of nuclear charge will increase the tendency to attract electrons in the nucleus. Metals form cations and non-metals form anions. Cations consist more protons and anions consist more electrons. Here, metallic and non-metallic character of elements completed. Thank you.